In today's free tutorial, I'm going to show you how to enhance audio quality completely for free in Capcut PC in less than 2 minutes. Let's get right into it. Once you have your audio piece or music track dragged onto Capcut PC, in this case I have a music track. And let's say we want to make this sound better or enhance the audio or the music quality. In this case, I'm going to click and highlight the audio track, and on the top right hand screen under basic, which is next to voice changer, we have a list of different options that we can mess with in Capcut PC completely for free. We can mess with the volume. As I drag it to the left, you notice that the volume or the wavelengths are getting smaller, so we're decreasing the volume. See how it's quieter? And now it's larger and it's peaking. You notice that when I drag it to the right, when it starts to get orange, that means that it's peaking, and that's not what we want. And I can even drag this to the right. I can fade in the audio, so it sounds like this. Or I can drag it more to the right, and it slowly fades in. It has that curve, as you can see. I can even fade out the audio as I drag this to the right. You can see that the audio is still peaking. It's still color red over here. You can click this option in Capcut PC which says normalize loudness, and as you can see now that, well, it's not peaking. The audio is as good as it can be, and we can even make the audio louder as high as, let's say, 15 decibels. And there you go, the audio is not even peaking, and that is going to make your audio sound so much better. You can scroll down, there's an option to reduce the noise if it's too loud. You see it doesn't really do much. There's vocal isolation, but this does not have any vocal. And there's even an option to channel, so you can fill the audio to the left or fill it to the right. Check this out. Now to the right. Doesn't really do much, just the same thing. If you want to see more videos like this, comment down below, share the video, drop this video a like, and follow for more. I'm out.